Yeah, welcome back, my amazing people. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing great. So this is a drive with me video, and we're driving around the city of Umuahia. And please ignore the quality of this video. I made this video on a Sunday, and the weather was really dull on that day. So this is Otimba Market, World Bank Housing Estate, and as you can see, there's a food market there. In case you don't know, especially for those who are new in town, okay, there's a food market at World Bank Housing, very close to Coping Society. So we've left there and we are now at Umafai, and this road is still under construction, as you can see. Okay, so we're gradually approaching Opet Junction. So just keep on watching so that you have a look of what the city of Umuahia looks like in the month of December 2025. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video as much as you can. Thank you. So my people, if you take your time to really observe the city of Umuahia from my length, you're gonna notice that the city is gradually getting that facelift it deserves as a state capital. I'm beginning to notice that the city is becoming more clean, like it's becoming cleaner, more organized, and I think I'm also noticing that buildings, especially old looking buildings, like they are becoming renovated. Some are being painted. The one by my right hand side is that of High Court of Justice Umuahia, and they newly painted the fence, as you can see, white and green. Yeah, you can see the fence there and the gate. And there's this other one by my left hand side. I don't really know the building that is for, but what I'm just trying to say is that good governance is amazing. Good governance is good, actually, because ever since our governor, in the person of His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti, came into power, Umuahia has just been changing, transforming rapidly, as you can see. This is Fimbas Road, so keep on watching and let me know what you think about this new development going on in the city of Umuahia. So this is Abba Road and we're very close to FMC Junction, and at the time of making this video I noticed that they were actually installing the pedestrian rail gates just very close to the GT Bank opposite FMC. We're getting close to the place, so you see for yourself. I'm sure most of you would have seen it in my shorts video, right? So yes, Umuahia is really changing, my people, and I'm super excited for this huge development going on in the city of Umuahia. And we pray that the Lord continues to bless our governor in the person of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Otti. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video as much as you can. Now that's the real gate I'm talking about. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to do the needful. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye.